Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to view all broadcast links on WhatsApp. If you want to easily access and manage the links shared in your broadcasts, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap your broadcast list. This is the list where you have your recipients grouped. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. A menu with additional options will appear. Step 4. From the menu, select Broadcast List Media. This will take you to the media settings for your broadcast list. Step 5. Tap Links. This will show you all the links shared in your broadcasts. By following these steps, you can easily view all broadcast links on WhatsApp. This feature is useful for managing and accessing the links shared with your recipients. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.